was drafty. You could actually see the curtains move in the wind. You could hear everything. Living on a corner, trucks. College town, we're on a main street, and they tend to travel quickly. And of course, young boys with their loud mufflers zooming by. Before, it was the second grade glass that was distorted, so you kind of had to move around and see what things looked like. And now it's just wonderful. They did the siding. They put in front windows. Super. They worked quick, fast, detailed, and they took time to answer any question I had. If there was something that I felt needed to be, oh, could you put some caulking up in there and kind of keep that clean? Sure. Anything I wanted. They were just fantastic. I would have those guys come back in a heartbeat. Now it's quiet. I don't hear the wind blow. I don't see the curtains move. And it's warm. We turned the heater on once so far this fall when it got very cool. And as of tonight, no heater. It's nice. It feels brand new. The inside needs work now, but the outside is terrific. I've recommended it to all of my friends that I know. 5 of them that I have recommended to are going to use your services. The neighbor lady across the street from me said, your house looks so nice. I have to have something that looks just as nice as yours. So here she is. She's getting her house done too. I said they're the only ones that you can actually talk to that will do what you want, and you will get what you want, how you want it, and within the time frame. And the most important that was to me was finances. The loan that I took out was a non-secured loan. I didn't have to put anything up, and it can be paid off without penalties for getting it paid off sooner than what it says. And that to me is a big plus. So I can make extra payments and not be penalized for it. Tim and his crew have just been super. I mean, I went from an old 100-year-old house to a brand new house. And it looks that way. I'm very pleased.